What if I told you that you could own a stunning modern home for less than the cost of a luxury car? Today we're diving into 7 incredible prefab homes between 400 and 800 square feet that'll blow your mind. We're talking prices from $30,000 shell kits to $400,000 luxury ADUs. Now, before we jump into these architectural gems, let me paint you a picture. Remember when prefab meant cheap cookie-cutter boxes that looked like they belonged in a trailer park? Well, those days are deadlier than disco. Today's prefab homes are sleek, sustainable, and frankly sexier than most traditional houses, costing 3 times as much. Let's start with the wallet-friendly options that prove you don't need to break the bank to live beautifully. First up is the all-wood Avalon Cabin Kit at $50,000. This Nordic beauty gives you 540 square feet on the main floor plus a 218 square foot loft. Made from solid Nordic wood, it's basically what would happen if IKEA decided to make actual houses instead of furniture that requires a PhD in engineering to assemble. The difference? This one comes with actual instructions that make sense. Avalon is a true DIY project. You get pre-cut materials, doors, windows, and hardware, everything except the patience you'll need when your spouse helps with the assembly. But seriously, for those who enjoy weekend projects that don't involve cleaning gutters, this is your chance to literally build your dream home. Then there's Mighty Small Homes with their SIP panel construction. SIPs, that's structural insulated panels for those keeping score at home, are basically the energy efficiency superheroes of the building world. Their 480 square foot cottage kit starts at $37,000, while the 600 square foot version runs $57,415. Here's what's brilliant about SIPs. They're like a thermos for your house. Super insulated, incredibly strong, and they'll keep your energy bills lower than your expectations for reality TV. Mighty Small Homes estimates you'll spend $90,000 to $150,000 total if you DIY the interior, or $150,000 plus with a contractor. Still cheaper than a decent kitchen renovation in most major cities. For those who want something truly unique in the budget category, check out the Wheelhouse Wedge at around $170,000. This 400 square foot tiny home features a striking roofline and exterior siding made from reclaimed Wyoming snow fencing. Inside, you'll find high ceilings, large trapezoidal windows, and an open floor plan flooded with natural light. The Wedge includes 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a kitchenette, making it perfect for a cozy retreat or stylish guest house. What's impressive is that it's designed to withstand hurricane winds and heavy snow loads, ensuring durability in almost any environment. Shipping is available from Colorado to build sites across all U.S. states, making this architectural gem accessible nationwide. The sweet spot: mid-range prefab homes. 500 to 650 square feet. Now we're entering the Goldilocks zone. Not too basic, not too bougie, but just right for most people's needs and budgets. Summerwood's Oban is a minimalist Nordic cabin that emanates peace and quiet like a meditation retreat with plumbing. Starting at around $104,000 for the base kit, this beauty spans 680 square feet and proves that Scandinavian design isn't just for furniture stores with unpronounceable names. The Oban features a steep gable roof and cathedral ceilings that make the space feel twice as large as it actually is. We're talking 10-foot overall wall height with an open loft accessible by a ship's ladder. Because apparently regular stairs are for people who don't appreciate maritime aesthetics. The flush, trim-free window settings and minimal overhang give it that crisp, modern look that makes your neighbor's vinyl siding weep with envy. What sets the Oban apart is its premium STK, Western red cedar siding with stainless steel fasteners. This isn't just pretty, it's built to last longer than most Hollywood marriages. The open loft with pine railing and T&G pine flooring creates a cozy sleeping space that's perfect for stargazing or hiding from your in-laws during the holidays. Summerwood's Nomad takes a different approach with its modern bunkie design. At 400 to 500 square feet, depending on configuration, this contemporary cabin starts around $85,000 and looks like it belongs in an architecture magazine, not a suburban backyard. The Nomad's low-slope roof and overhang contribute to its fresh, contemporary design that screams, "I have excellent taste and a reasonable budget." The double-height ceiling and enhanced siding package create a bright, airy space that makes you forget you're living in less square footage than most people's master bedroom. Here's what's genius about the Nomad. It comes with an open loft accessible by a ship's ladder. Summerwood really loves their nautical themes, T&G pine flooring, and enough natural light to make a vampire jealous. Optional upgrades include a wooden awning and custom front porch because sometimes you need a place to sit and contemplate your excellent life choices. Modular takes a different approach with their steel frame construction. The Maverick 400 is exactly what it sounds like. 400 square feet of rebellious modern living, starting at around $110,000 for the module itself. But here's where it gets interesting. Turnkey installation in California starts around $184,000. Mecca is refreshingly transparent about their pricing, roughly $285 to $400 per square foot for a complete build. That might sound steep until you realize they can factory build your home in weeks and install it in a day. It's like Amazon Prime for houses, except instead of getting your package stolen, you get a place to live. The Maverick 400's design screams Scandinavian minimalism. Clean lines, efficient use of space, and enough style to make your neighbors question their life choices. It's the kind of home that looks like it belongs in a design magazine, not a suburban cul-de-sac. Another standout in the mid-range category is the GoLogic Go Home 1700 model, starting at approximately $250,000. This 1,700 square foot single-story home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, making it perfect for families or those who need extra space for guests or a home office. What makes this prefab special is its passive house design principles. It's built to minimize heat loss and maximize solar gains, offering significant savings on energy bills. The open-concept kitchen, living, and dining area creates a spacious and inviting atmosphere, while additional amenities include a covered entry porch, laundry closet, and exterior storage area. Shipping is available from Maine to build sites across the continental USA, bringing New England craftsmanship to your doorstep no matter where you live. The Luxury League high-end stunners, 700 to 800 square feet. Now we're talking about the Ferraris of the prefab world. Still compact, but packed with more luxury than a first-class flight to nowhere. A Bodu's 2+ model is 800 square feet of California, dreaming at $390,000 plus. Before you choke on your coffee, remember this includes 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and enough high-end finishes to make a Beverly Hills realtor blush. We're talking cathedral ceilings, folding glass patio doors, and built-in everything. The average Abodu customer spends around $448,000 total, which sounds like a lot until you realize that's less than a down payment on a decent house in most California markets. Plus, you get the satisfaction of knowing your home was built in a factory by people who actually know what they're doing, not by whoever showed up to the job site that day. Samara, founded by Airbnb's co-founder Joe Gebbia, brings Silicon Valley innovation to backyard living. Their Backyard XL8 model is 800 square feet of tech-forward luxury, starting at $249,000 base price in California. This isn't just a house, it's a statement piece that happens to have plumbing. The XL8 features vaulted ceilings, a full kitchen with high-end electric appliances, and enough smart home integration to make Alexa jealous. It's solar-ready and twice as energy efficient as a standard home. Samara handles everything from permitting to installation, which means you can focus on the important things, like deciding what color to paint the walls and whether you really need that second bathroom. For those who want the absolute pinnacle of luxury and a compact footprint, the Plant Prefab RPA Living Home 1 starts at $595,000 and is worth every penny. This 2,218 square foot masterpiece features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, designed to meet passive house standards for maximum energy efficiency and comfort. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is complemented by large windows and an oversized sliding glass door to the back deck, creating a bright and inviting space that feels twice its actual size. The home includes a first-floor master suite, a loft with 2 additional bedrooms, and a bonus room that can serve as a children's play space or home office. Optional features include a 2-car garage and a breezeway, making this the perfect primary residence for those who refuse to compromise on quality or space. Shipping is available across the continental USA, bringing high-end sustainable living to discerning homeowners nationwide. Here's the thing about prefab homes in this size range: they're not just about saving money, though they certainly can. They're about rethinking how we live. Do you really need 2,500 square feet when 500 square feet of well-designed space can give you everything you actually use? The pricing spectrum tells a story. You can start as low as $30,000 to $50,000 for a basic shell. But remember, that's like buying a car without seats, windows, or an engine. It'll get you started, but you've got work to do. Mid-tier, fully finished homes in the $85,000 to $150,000 range offer the sweet spot of quality and affordability. And if you want to go full luxury with those $300,000 to $400,000 premium ADUs, you're getting finishes and features that would cost twice as much in a traditional build. Let's talk about living in 400 to 800 square feet, because I know what you're thinking. That's smaller than my garage. And you're probably right. But here's what the tiny house movement has taught us. It's not about the size of your space, it's how you use it. A 400 square foot home forces you to be intentional about everything you own. No more keeping that exercise bike you haven't used since the Clinton administration. No more rooms that exist solely to collect dust and store Christmas decorations. Every square foot has a purpose, and honestly, that's liberating. The 800 square foot models, like those luxury ADUs, prove that you can have it all in a smaller package. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, full kitchen, living space. It's like a traditional home that went on a very successful diet. One concern I hear constantly is about quality. Are these things going to fall apart in 5 years? The short answer is no. Not if you choose reputable manufacturers. Companies like Summerwood, MEKA, and Abodu have been around long enough to work out the kinks. They're not fly-by-night operations selling glorified sheds. The key is understanding what you're buying. Those $30,000 shell kits require significant additional investment and work. The $85,000 to $150,000 mid-range options give you move-in ready quality without breaking the bank. And the $400,000 luxury models? They're often better built than traditional homes, costing twice as much. Take the Oban, for example. Summerwood offers a full 2-year warranty on materials and craftsmanship. That's longer than most people keep their smartphones. The premium cedar siding and stainless steel fasteners aren't just for show, they're built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at them, including your neighbor's questionable landscaping choices. Before you start planning your prefab paradise, let's talk reality. First, you need land. These homes don't come with property, and finding the right lot with proper utilities and zoning can be trickier than assembling IKEA furniture after a few drinks. Second, permits and local codes vary wildly. What flies in rural Texas might not work in suburban Connecticut. Many of these manufacturers help with the permitting process, but it's still something to factor into your timeline and budget. Third, financing can be interesting. Traditional mortgages don't always play nice with prefab homes, especially the smaller ones. You might need to get creative with construction loans or personal financing. These manufacturers are constantly innovating. Better materials, smarter designs, more sustainable construction methods. The $30,000 shell kit of today is probably better than the $100,000 finished home of 10 years ago. Companies like Summerwood are leading this charge with their enhanced siding packages and premium materials. The Nomad's contemporary low-slope roof design would have been impossible to achieve affordably just a decade ago. Now it's standard equipment on an $85,000 home. So, which of these homes is right for you? If you're handy and want maximum bang for your buck, those shell kits offer incredible value. If you want something move-in ready without the luxury price tag, the Oban and Nomad from Summerwood hit that sweet spot perfectly. And if you want to make a statement while living efficiently, those high-end ADUS are worth every penny. The beauty of this market is that there's truly something for everyone. Whether you're a retiree looking to downsize, a young professional priced out of traditional housing, or someone who just wants to live more intentionally, these homes offer solutions that didn't exist even 5 years ago. Affordable modern prefab homes aren't just changing how we build, they're changing how we think about home ownership. For the price of a luxury car, you can own a beautiful, efficient, modern home. For the price of a traditional down payment, you can own your home outright. These aren't compromises, they're smart choices. They're proof that good design doesn't require massive square footage and that affordable doesn't have to mean ugly. In a world where housing costs are out of control, prefab homes offer a path to home ownership that actually makes sense. The question isn't whether you can afford one of these homes, it's whether you can afford not to consider them. Because while everyone else is complaining about housing costs, you could be living in your own modern masterpiece, mortgage-free and loving every efficiently designed square foot of it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on alternative housing solutions. I'd also love to hear about your experiences with tiny homes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.